Hello, in the last video I showed you how we can create a new partition for our existing drive. In this video I will show you how we can merge two partitions graphically in Windows 11 using the disk management tool. So let's see how we can do this thing. Before going to that tool, I am going to show you this PC has two drives. One is C drive and other is Z drive, and Z drive is empty. We need to merge these two drives, C and Z. So we'll see how we can do this thing, and we can make only one disk. So at first we need to click search and then start typing run, and you'll see the run system application is there, something like that, or it is a utility. I'm not sure what is that. Just click here and then it will open like this. Here we need to type on command, that is disk, then management mgmt in short, and then dot msc. Then we have to press the OK button or press the enter key of our keyboard. Once we press the OK button, then we'll see exactly like same C drive, Z drive, and here we are seeing C drive, Z drive. So we'll merge these two partitions. So to merge this partition, we need to think one thing: which one we want to merge, either this one with that or this one with that. So our goal is to merge this Z with C, right? So we need to select it and then right click. We will find different options are there, right? So if we try to check here we are seeing only shrink volume is there, nothing is there, right? We cannot extend or add mirror, delete volume, nothing we can do, right? So here our goal is to merge this disk to this one, right? But both of them are like drive and each of them are NTFS file system. So as both of them are allocated already, we cannot merge all together without doing some extra step. So what we need to do? So we are going to merge this thing with that, right? So what we have to do? We need to select it, right click, and at first we need to delete this volume. We can easily click here and this volume will be deleted first. So I'm going to click here, delete this volume, and it is asking deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Backup any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? Okay. So one thing I forgot to mention. So if your drive has any file over there, before doing these changes, just take a backup of those things and you can put it here. You can create a folder here like D or Z based on your drive name, and you can move this thing, and then you have to do this thing, because after deleting this partition there will be nothing, you cannot recover anything. Okay, so to do this thing, to merge here, we need to take a backup and we need to put it here. That's why it is giving us warning: deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Backup any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? Yes, I already deleted, for example, but for my case there is nothing. But for your case, obviously there should be something. You can keep those data to C drive by copying, or you can, if you don't need to do anything. So now we have to press the yes button to continue. Once we press the yes button, we'll see this drive is unallocated, and if we come here, we will not be able to see that thing. That is completely invisible right now. So now what we need to do? We need to add this disk space with this one, right? So what is happening basically? Basically we are going to extend this drive to this with this, right? We are going to extend this thing, this one. To extend this thing, so we just need to click here, right click. So here this is the disk we need to extend, right? So right click, then we have to choose extend volume, and here it is showing welcome to extend volume wizard, and there is next button. So I'm going to press this next button to go there. Now which space do I need to extend from, basically, right? So this is the C disk, right? C disk. So I want to extend this thing, but that space should come from somewhere, right? So that space is coming from this unallocated or free space, right? So we need to get the data or get the disk from this location, right? So what we have to do? From here there are two options are there. One is, two boxes are there, available and selected. So right now there is nothing, right? So we need to do select this thing, and then we need to add with this partition, I mean with this C drive. Once we select this one, then we have to press the next button, and here it is showing completing the extended volume wizard. You selected you selected the volume settings, this one, which is 10 gigabyte, right? So it is the 10 gigabyte which is free. Here we are seeing it's completely unallocated. So I'm going to merge this thing with this. So once we select here, now press the next button, and then we have to press the finish button. Once we press the finish button, we'll see it is merged, right? Right now it is 80 gigabyte, but before that it was 69 and 10 gigabyte, right? Two drive. Now it has only one drive. And if we come to the my computer, this PC, and we are seeing that here also 80 gigabyte is there, and everything is merged all together, right? And if we want to access, we can also access like that. And that's it, guys. In this way you can easily merge multiple like partition together by following the described steps I already mentioned. Step by step you can check and you can do by yourself. Thank you guys for watching the video, and once you complete this thing, you can close this thing because we don't need it anymore, and you can also close this thing and you can start working in your Windows as usual. And that's it, guys. If you have any question or comment, please put in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. See you next.